What to do if you have a Tesla car and other EV in your family? Do you need a charger for each one? It's so frustrating to have different chargers and roll of different cables at your garage.
There's only one right decision. You need to have a high-quality and compact adapter specially designed to connect J1772 standard electric vehicles to Tesla chargers. It is really easy to use. Don't let a low battery ruin your road trip or city ride. With Access Royal's charging adapter, you can charge your electric vehicle with ease, even if the nearest charging station isn't compatible with your vehicle's port. Our adapter allows you to charge your EV with a J1772 port from Tesla chargers, first and second generation models. No need to worry about being stranded without a charge. Our adapter is compact and easy to use, making it the perfect solution for unexpected charging needs. Simply plug the adapter into your car and the charging station, and you'll be back on the road in no time. We understand the importance of sustainability, which is why our adapter is designed to help you get the most out of your EV while minimizing your carbon footprint. Plus, our adapter is made with high-quality materials to ensure reliable and safe charging every time.
Choose Access Royal's charging adapter and enjoy the freedom to charge your EV wherever and whenever you need it.